Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Owl Kitchen Decor is probably one of the most charming and unique ways to add personality and style to your kitchen. Today, we dive into the whimsical world of owl-themed kitchen decor, exploring a delightful range of options to help you create a kitchen that reflects your love for these wise and enchanting creatures. From subtle accents to bold statement pieces, we'll uncover the best owl-themed kitchen decor items available, helping you transform your cooking space into a cozy and captivating haven. Number 5. Comfify Owl Utensil Holder. This adorable owl-shaped utensil holder is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Its charming design and aqua blue color will brighten up your countertop. It's not just cute, it's also incredibly practical. Keep your cooking utensils organized and easily accessible with this handy container. Made from high-quality ceramic, it's built to last. You can trust it to resist chipping and fading, ensuring years of use. Looking for a thoughtful housewarming or hostess gift? This charming utensil holder is both beautiful and functional, making it a perfect choice. With its generous size, it offers plenty of room for all your essential cooking tools. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality. Its versatile design complements various kitchen styles, from modern to traditional. It's a delightful addition to any kitchen decor. What we like? This charming owl-shaped utensil holder is made of high-quality ceramic, ensuring years of use. It's not just functional, its adorable design brightens any kitchen. If you're looking for a beautiful and practical way to organize your cooking utensils, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It holds utensils well. Nice quality and the size is good. I use mine for utensil storage. The opening at the top is wide enough to at least fit around 5 utensils, which really is all you need out on the table. It looks and feels very well made. Number 4. NIRMAN Owl Coasters. These charming coasters add a touch of rustic elegance to your home. They're handcrafted from sustainable mango wood, making them both beautiful and eco-friendly. Notice the intricate owl design? Each coaster is carefully hand-carved by skilled artisans in rural India, ensuring unique character and quality. Made from durable mango wood, known for its rich color and natural resistance to water and decay. It's a beautiful and sustainable choice. Protect your furniture while adding a touch of style. They're ideal for everyday use at home, in the office, or even at a casual gathering. Looking for a unique present? This set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, housewarmings, or any special occasion. It's both practical and stylish. Each coaster measures 3.5 by 3.5 inches, and the holder is 4.5 by 2.25 by 2.5 inches. The perfect size for everyday use. What we like? This set of 6 owl coasters is handcrafted from sustainable mango wood, adding a touch of rustic elegance to your home. They are both beautiful and functional, protecting your furniture while adding character. If you appreciate handcrafted items and want to add a unique touch to your table setting, this is for you. What people say? Solid wood, cute design, goes great with our decor. I was relieved to see they looked just like the pictures. As I took a coaster out, I was able to notice that it was made with quality materials. Very good quality. I was impressed by the sturdiness of them when I received them. Number 3. 7 PCS Owl Bamboo Cooking Spoons. This charming set brings a touch of whimsy to your kitchen. It includes everything you need for everyday cooking and serving. Made from durable bamboo, these spoons are sturdy, resistant to staining, and won't scratch your cookware. They're built to last. The engraved owl theme adds a unique and delightful touch to your kitchen decor. They're perfect for owl lovers. This set contains 5 spoons and spatulas, a convenient holder, and a handy clip, everything you need for efficient cooking. The spoons and holder are designed for comfortable handling and easy storage. They're the perfect size for any kitchen. Looking for a thoughtful present? This set makes a wonderful housewarming, birthday, or wedding gift, especially for owl enthusiasts. What we like? This bamboo cooking utensil set, featuring an adorable owl theme, is both functional and visually appealing. The set includes everything you need for cooking, and the bamboo is eco-friendly and durable. If you love owls and are looking for a practical and stylish kitchen set, this is perfect. What people say? They are well made. These bamboo spoons and caddy are wonderful. They are bamboo, so they are lightweight, but they are very well made. I have cooked with them and put them through the dishwasher and they still look new. The can sit on the cabinet, but it also has a hole so it could even be hung if desired. The pictures and sayings are adorable and easy to see and read. I bought these for my daughter. She loves the owl's cute sayings on each utensil. They are easy to clean, work well, and don't scratch her non-stick pans. She loves how it came with a holder so they can be stored on her countertop for easy access. Number 2. WCGXKO Owl Dish Towel. This charming kitchen towel is perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your kitchen. It's made from a soft, absorbent blend of polyester and polyamide. It's not only adorable, but also incredibly durable. The high-quality construction ensures it will last through countless washes. This towel is incredibly versatile. Use it to dry dishes, wipe counters, or even wrap delicate items. It's a true kitchen essential. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply machine wash and tumble dry. It's pre-washed and pre-shrunk for lasting quality. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This towel is perfect for housewarmings, birthdays, or any special occasion. Measuring 16 by 24 inches, it's generously sized for all your kitchen needs. The waffle weave adds to its absorbency and charming look. What we like? This kitchen towel is not only highly absorbent and durable but also features a fun owl design that adds personality to your kitchen. It's perfect for everyday use and makes a great gift. If you're looking for a practical and charming addition to your kitchen, this is the one for you. What people say. The material is good and the graphic writing and picture look sturdy enough to wash. Looks just like the picture. Soft and absorbent and looks great. I keep out and use all the time. Bought it for my daughter's kitchen. As a gift she loves it. Number 1. Cast Iron Owl Trivet. This charming trivet is more than just a kitchen essential, it's a beautiful addition to your home decor. Its unique design will add a touch of rustic charm to any space. It's made from sturdy cast iron to protect your surfaces from heat damage. Rubber feet prevent scratches, ensuring your furniture stays safe. This artisan-designed trivet brings a touch of vintage warmth to your kitchen. It's the perfect blend of functionality and style. Use it as a trivet, a plant stand, or even a decorative wall hanging. It's a piece that can adapt to your needs. It's a handcrafted piece made with care and attention to detail. Explore our other listings for more unique home decor ideas. We stand behind our products. Contact our friendly customer service team if you have any questions or concerns. What we like? This cast iron owl trivet is both functional and decorative, protecting your surfaces while adding a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. It's also versatile enough to be used in other settings. If you're looking for a sturdy and stylish trivet with a unique design, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is a rare kitchen tool. Iron material is evident. Its style is rustic. It weighs some pounds and it is robust. Size is good, not too small nor big. The owl trivet is great quality overall. It is heat resistant and easy to use. It's very thick and does perform like it should. It's exactly as pictured. It feels heavy and worth my money, not some cheap flimsy product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.